you scrape off enough of this, then it doesn't leave lines anymore. See how there's no line there?
Yeah.
See, that all looks really good right there now. Huh?
I can do it now.
Did you think that we'd be done with drywall by now? Well, we're not. But Travis recruited us to help him.
Whoa! Whoa.
And he also hired a friend, so hopefully by next week we'll be done. I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
Hi, Chucky. No toes. Ah!
That's him.
Ah!
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
So I'm going to show you guys this real quick. I added a whole bunch of can lights back here. Like in this room there was no lighting. And this is my 6th can light that's gone out on me since March. Since really the end of March. So it has been, how long, Sarah? Like 6 months. So in 6 months, I've had 6 lights go out of like 15. So at first I was thinking like, oh no, I must have done something wrong with the electrical, but I have 2 different styles of can lights back here, an old style that I had already here, and then a new style that I bought to do this job. And it's this new style that's all gone out. None of the old style has gone out. So now I'm convinced that it's a defect in these can lights. I'll tell you what they are. They're commercial electric. It's a Home Depot brand, pretty cheap lights in reality, and they definitely have a defect in this style. This style is the dimmable LED lights, can light.
And they're going to take them back?
So yeah, I called Home Depot and they said no problem, take them back, swap them out for something else. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to take down all 12 that I had bought of that style and swap them out. You can clean it all up for me, Sawyer and Lee? What the kids are doing here, by the way, is skimming all the old walls that weren't replaced. They all have a little bit of texture to them, and so they just need a real thin coat to kind of tame it down.
Mom, it's zoomed out. Well, that texture pretty dark. Yeah, it's because I zoomed out. Watch. Zoom in. Zoom. Now can I do this? Now I need to get some more paint on that. Here. Now can I get some more paint on this wall?
You can switch whichever side you want to do. There you go. We went on a drive the other day up the mountain to get a good view of a fire that was going on, and we happened to pass by the Diesel brothers from the Discovery Channel show pulling some smashed cars up from what is known as Dead Man's Curve.
Better spot to stop. Can you hold it just for one more second? How about 2 seconds?
The fire started from a lightning strike and it was burning out in some wetlands, so there wasn't any way for firefighters and first responders to get to the flames, so it got really pretty big before they were able to do anything about it. Even though the wildfire by our house was over 2 years ago, we still remember how scary it was waking up and seeing the flames, and so we're really grateful that they were able to eventually get this fire under control and that no homes or businesses were destroyed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.